is first negative in every window size of k. So they given us one array and from and size of window which is k, and from that we need to find a negative number from each subarray of window size k. So for example here let's see with the first example. In first example they given us the array and window size as a 2. So we need to create a subarray with the size of 2. So let's suppose first subarray will be 8 minus 8 and 2. Then minus 8 would be our first negative number from this subarray. Then we have another subarray 2 and 3. From that there is no negative number, so we will simply add it as a 0. Then we have another subarray like 3 and minus 6. From that minus 6 would be negative number from this subarray. And then we have another subarray with size of 2 which is minus 6 and 10. From that minus 6 would be our first negative number from this subarray. So we will simply return all these negative numbers. Here I am using brute force approach to solve this question. First we need to create the list to store the negative numbers. Inside that we need to return it in the form of list. So then I will use the for loop, and for that I need to create the condition like our outer loop will run till array of length minus k, because in inner loop we have condition like I plus k. So if we will not use array of length minus k, then it will be out, array index out of bound, exception will be thrown. That's why we need to keep it as array of length minus k. And then I have created one variable called found, which is boolean variable. It will false in I have initialized it with false. Then after that we need another loop which is nested loop to create to run the loop till the given window size which is k. So it will run from the ith size of window. Uh, and then we'll simply check that array of j means element is less than 0 or not. If it is less than 0, we need to add it inside the result list, and we will simply initialize found with the true, and we will break the loop which is this loop, inner loop. After that it will again go uh, it, it will again go, and it will increment the I. It will check the I is less than array of length minus k. Yes, it is. Then then if it will again initialize the found variable as a false, and it will again goes inside the inner loop. And inner loop it will start from the ith index, and then it will again check if that specific that specific element from the jth index is less than 0 or not. If it is 0, then it will add inside this result list, and it will simply make a found variable as true, and it will break. We need to break the loop because we only want the first negative number. So once we will find the first negative number from the subarray, we just need to break the loop. And then again, if there is no negative number inside the specific size of k size of subarray, then we just need to check that if not found means which is false. So it will make it as true. If it is true, that means there is no negative number inside but that particular subarray of size k. So we just need to simply add the 0 for that subarray. And after all these iterations, we need to return the result list successfully. Here array given as minus 8, 2, 3, minus 6 and 10.